Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix when start menu is not working on Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to press Windows plus R on the keyboard. So press the window key and along with window key press letter R and then it will open a run box and then you have to go ahead and type in Explorer in the run box and then click on OK. Go to C drive, click on this PC, then open C drive, then open the Windows folder, then open the software distribution folder. Now here you can see software distribution. Open this folder and then open the download folder and then delete all the content from here. So select all, make a right click, then click on delete. So once deleted, press Windows plus I on the keyboard. So press the Windows key and the I key on the keyboard to open Windows 10 settings. Then go to Update and Security and then click on Check for Update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer. To restart your computer, press Ctrl+Alt+Delete on the keyboard and this will show you the lock screen. On the bottom right here you can see the restart option. Restart your computer and then that should go ahead and fix the problem. But if in case you are unable to delete the content from this location, from the download location, if you are unable to delete the content, in that case you can go to the safe mode. To go to the safe mode, again open Windows 10 setting. So press Windows plus I on the keyboard. It will open Windows 10 settings. Then go to Update and Security and then click on Recovery. And over here you can see the option which says Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Now after the restart, you will see the screen which says Choose an option. Click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced option. And then click on Startup Settings. And then click on Restart. And then you will see this screen. And then you have to press number 4 or you can press F4 on the keyboard. You can press the number 4 or you can press the function key, that is F4, which will take you to the safe mode. And then you can go to this location by pressing the Windows plus R, and then you can type in Explorer and then go to this location and then delete the content. And then you can go ahead and restart your computer and then you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. And that should go ahead and fix the problem. The next step is to run DISM and SFC command. For this, press Ctrl Shift and Escape key on the keyboard. So Ctrl Shift and Escape, which will open Task Manager. And over here, click on File, then click on Run New Task. And over here, you can go ahead and type in CMD and then put a check on the box which says Create the task with administrative privileges. So put a check over here, then click on OK. This will open command prompt and then you go ahead and run this command. So first of all, run this SFC scan and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is complete, you have to run the second command. So once that scan is complete, copy this command and then paste it over here, then hit the enter key. And once that scan is complete, restart your computer and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step is to again open Task Manager. So press Ctrl Shift and Escape. And over here, click on File, then click on Run New Task. And this time type in PowerShell. All the commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell, then put a check on the box which says Administrative Privileges. Click on OK. And this will open PowerShell window. And then run this command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it over here, then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now if you receive any kind of error message like this in red, which is red in color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Okay, now it's done. So once you see this, once this is done, you can go ahead and close this window, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer. To restart, I understand that you are not able to open the start menu, so you cannot restart it from here. So in that case, you have to press Ctrl+Alt+Delete on your keyboard, which will take you to the lock screen. And from here, you can click on restart. Click on this power icon, then click on restart, and that should go ahead and fix the start menu. Now, still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. So if nothing is working, you can update your Windows 10 using media creation tool, and this will definitely fix the problem. So to open any browser, you have to press Windows plus R on the keyboard, which will open the run box. And in the run box, you can go ahead and, if you're using Chrome browser, you can just simply type in Chrome and then click on OK, which will open Chrome, and you can open the website, or you can open Edge. If you want to open Edge, you can press Windows plus R once again, copy this command, and then paste it over here, and then click on OK, which will open Microsoft Edge. Now, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on Download tool now. Run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now agree to the terms, so click on Accept. Then by default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on Next. Now it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. This process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now after the download, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now once this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is done, it will restart your computer. So restart your computer and then log into your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the start menu issue. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your start menu working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.